Welcome to the next video in our series of videos for the electric wholesalers. Today we're going to be talking about sometimes called wireless adapters, sometimes called wireless dongles, depending on whichever you prefer. The best use for a Wi-Fi dongle is to add wireless to a device that either has an old wireless standard or to just add wireless to the device at all, because that device doesn't have any wireless built into it. So for instance, if you have a sort of ancient MacBook or laptop that you haven't upgraded for maybe 10 years or so, you might be on Wi-Fi 4, you might be on Wi-Fi 5, you can buy one of these devices and instantly upgrade the Wi-Fi speed on your PC for a very low price. So what we have today is our Wi-Fi 6 dongle, and then I'm going to hand over to Mark because he's going to introduce and debut our Wi-Fi 7 dongle, which is great because a lot of devices today don't have Wi-Fi 7 as a standard as yet, but Wi-Fi 7 installs are becoming more and more common.
Yeah, they're becoming more.
And over to you, Mark.
Yeah, so as Alan mentioned, the Wi-Fi dongles can be used to basically upgrade or update older devices. So think of the customers that either don't have the budget or don't have the resource to update their device. They can simply buy one of these smaller devices. The Wi-Fi dongles or the Wi-Fi adapters are very easy, inexpensive options to update older laptops. For those customers that don't have the budget or the resource to buy brand new equipment, you can easily get some of these little devices here. How you use the device is simply pop off the cap, you expose the USB port, you can flip up the aerial and you can plug it straight into your device. You follow a couple of instructions on screen, so it may ask you to update a driver or so, and then as soon as that is done, this device here will connect to the Wi-Fi at its best speed. So if you're in an area that has Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7, this device here will be able to receive the Wi-Fi 6.
Yeah.
One of the newer products that we have launched is the AE65U, and what this is a Wi-Fi 7 variant or a Wi-Fi 7 dongle. Again, it's used to update older devices. What's different between this product and the previous unit is the AE65U comes with a caddy. So you can plug this device simply into the caddy, which is USB powered, and you can plug this end into your computer or to your PC, whatever you want to do. Easily flip up the antennas here, and then what you do is you get a prompt from the device to install and update some drivers. That is relatively simple and easy to do, and once these are done, this device now will be able to receive the latest or the fastest Wi-Fi available. The
advantage, as Mark says, around these devices is that these external antennas are also very, very useful, giving you a signal boost, so you're able to pick up a Wi-Fi signal with a stronger reception for the device. So they're great little devices, and the easiest way to add new Wi-Fi standards to devices are much cheaper than upgrading your whole network or a new laptop, etc., etc. And also, if you're going to go and spend all of that money on a Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 install, then you're going to want to make sure that all of your devices
can receive or can use that signal.
Yeah. That's about it on wireless dongles or wireless adapters. Stay tuned for the next video.